Welcome to this yoga session for diabetes management. These specially chosen asanas are designed to help balance blood sugar, support your digestive system, and reduce stress, the key contributor to hormonal imbalances. Whether you're managing diabetes or working to prevent it, this flow will gently activate your metabolism and improve your overall well-being. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's begin this empowering journey to better health.
Let's do Paschimottanasana, the seated forward bend. Ready? Sit at the edge of your mat, facing the short side of the mat. Outstretch your legs. You can move the skin from your buttocks to make sure that you're sitting on the sit bones. Inhale, bring your arms up above the heads. And then as you exhale, start leaning forward. The movement is led by the belly. So we start leaning forwards until you can catch your feet. Inhale, exhale. Here, the breath is key. Take long exhalation to make space in the body and to get deeper in the pose. For 3, 2, 1, inhale, come back up. And you can come out of the pose, coming back to the starting posture. Fantastic! Let's do Shalabhasana, the locust pose. Ready? We're starting laying on our belly. Alright, and then bring your chin against your mat. And bring your arms alongside your body. Very good. You can close your fists and then with the next inhalation, push the mat with your arms in order to bring your legs up. Beautiful. Keep the head on the mat. Try to bring the legs as high as you can. And we're staying for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then slowly bring the legs back down. Fantastic. Arms are coming back and you can push yourself back into a sitting posture. Fantastic. Let's do Bhujangasana, the cobra pose. Are you ready? We're starting this time on the belly. Bring your hands next to your shoulders and your feet together. And with our next inhalation, we're gonna bring the chest up using the back muscles. We're not pushing ourselves, we're using the back muscle to stay up. Bring your feet together slightly above the ground and we're staying here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly come back down. You can push yourself back up and we're coming back in our starting posture. Beautiful. Let's do Apanasana, the knee to chest pose. Alright, let's start sitting facing the short side of the mat and then lay on your mat. Bring the back against the mat and then with your hands catch your knees and very slowly bring them to your chest. You can just hold on your knees or even hug your knees to your chest. You decide also if you want to bring your forehead against the knees or if it stays on the mat. For 3, 2, 1, and then you can gently let go of the legs and come to a laying posture. Fantastic. Let's do Balasana, the child pose. Let's go. Okay, we're starting on Vajrasana, sitting on our knees and at the edge of the mat. And then inhale, exhale, start walking with your hands in the direction of the other side of the mat until you stretch your arms and then drop the forehead on the mat. Let the elbows fall on the mat as well. Slow down your inhalations and exhalations. Take a minute here. And then walk back with your hands, coming back into the starting posture. Beautiful. Let's do Shalabhasana, the cycling pose. Ready? Let's start laying on the back. We're coming here up, and then bring one of your knee closer to your chest and outstretch the other leg. And then start the cycling motion, exactly like if you were on a bicycle. Beautiful. For 3, 2, 1. Reverse the motion. Don't forget to really engage your abs. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And bring the legs down and come back to your sitting posture. Beautiful work. Let's do Ardha Sarvangasana, the half shoulder stand pose. Ready? Okay, let's lay on the back. Come here on your mat and keep your knees bent. The idea then is going to be to push on the mat with the hands in order to give a little impulsion to bring the buttocks up. All right, let's do this. Inhale up. I catch my buttocks here with my hands, making 90-degree angles with my elbows, and then I bring my feet up above my head. From here, we're staying all body engaged for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend the legs and very slowly come back on your mats. Come back to a seated position, hands on the knees, and relax. Let's do Vajrasana, the thunderbolt posture. Ready? We're starting here in a cross-leg sitting position. And then I'm gonna bend the left leg, bringing the foot behind me. I'm gonna connect the right knee with the left knee. Fantastic. And then simply sit here on my feet. Bring your hands on your knees. Keep the back straight, the shoulders relaxed, and take a long inhalation. Exhale. Let's take a couple of breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. One last deep breath. Inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. And then whenever you want, you can leave the posture, coming back into our seated cross-leg position. Beautiful. Let's do Jatara Parivartanasana, the revolved abdominal pose. Let's go. All right. Sit first on your mat and then lay. And then bring the knees together above the hips, and with the help of your right hand, push the knees to the right side. Keep both shoulders on the mat. Open the left hand. Look at your middle finger. Enjoy the stretch. We stay for 3, 2, 1. Inhale, bring the knees back up. And this time with the left hand, we bring the knees to the left side. Keep the shoulders on the ground. Nice 90-degree angle with the knees. And we look at the right hand. We stay for 3, 2, 1. Bring the knees up again and relax on the mat. Beautiful. Let's do Purna Yogic Pranayama, the yogic full breath. Are you ready? Sit comfortably on your mat. This is a breath in 3 times. We start with abdominal breath. Inhale, expand the belly, and exhale, contract the belly. The second time is the chest. Inhale, expand the chest, and exhale, contract the chest. And finally, the third time is the clavicles. As we inhale deeply, we lift up the clavicles, and as we exhale, they drop down. Then we put all of these together. Inhale, start with the belly, the chest, and the clavicles, and exhale, clavicles, chest, and belly. Again, inhale, exhale. One more time, inhale, and exhale. Fantastic. Relax.
Well done. These movements have supported your metabolism, calmed your mind, and gently activated your inner healing system. With regular practice, yoga can help manage blood sugar and reduce the impact of stress on your body. Keep showing up for yourself. You're doing amazing. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Wishing you strength, balance, and better health. See you in the next session.